Hey y'all, welcome to my channel once again. Today we're going to be doing some coconut curry shrimp, and there you see I am cleaning up my kingfish. That's the fish of choice that I'm using today, and I'm going to be washing it with some vinegar and some lime juice, and just to get away some of the rawness and any debris or impurities that may have gotten on the fish. And then we're gonna pat dry it, and you can use your favorite seasonings to season up your fish. For this one I'll be using my Sazon, black pepper, creole seasoning, ground cumin, and a bunch of others, as you'll see as we go along. I thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to turn on that notification button so you don't miss any of our videos, and to like, subscribe, follow, share with all your family and friends, and keep coming back because we truly appreciate it and it keeps us encouraged. So just sit back and enjoy our recipe. So there you see I just added my onion powder and my garlic powder, and we're going to be massaging in all the seasonings after we have done the same thing on the opposite side of the fish. And then you've added some oil there, as you can see, and then we're going to be massaging that in just to make sure the flavor gets into these thick slices of kingfish. And
you can
then
see
we're going
all
to
the
be
seasoning on our kingfish,
see all the
so we know it's
seasoning
well
on there,
done.
and then we're going to be covering that and let it
sit
marinate
for
about 20 minutes. After 2 hours, here we're back, and I have about 2 tablespoons of oil in my pan, and I have garlic as usual and a piece of thyme, and then I added a teaspoon of curry powder, and Better Pack is my curry of choice because it has a lot of flavor. And then you're gonna put your fish in and let it brown on both sides. You want that nice golden brown color, as you can see there, with the curry getting on it as well. So once that's done, then you're gonna remove them, as you see there, and make sure you check in between and you use your medium flame to fry your fish. I've put a piece of garlic butter in my skillet, and I'm using onion, thyme, ginger for that fresh flavor, and bell peppers, and I'll keep the bell peppers until the end. And there you see I'm putting my carrots, and then we're gonna saute those until they are not too soft but with a little crunch, after we've added all those seasonings that we use up front. Just add whatever seasoning you would like to your seasonings or herbs, and let it saute for about 5 to 7 minutes. So there I'm combining all my powdered season with my herbs and spices, and I'm going to be covering that, as I said, for about 5 to 7 minutes. Thereafter, you see I'm checking it again to make sure it's not sticking, and I've added about a cup of coconut milk and half a cup of heavy cream. And then we're going to be spicing that up again with some Italian seasoning and whatever herbs you would like and spices to add to your creamy mixture. I've added red pepper just to give it that heat and that flavor, but you can omit that if you so choose. And finally, we're going to be adding some smoked paprika, and then we're going to mix everything together. So you want this to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. So just cover it up and let it simmer some. And there you have added some fresh parsley to my sauce, my creamy sauce. So after the 3 minutes, I'm going to be adding my bell peppers because I want those to not be too soft and provide the flavor just as we're about to put our kingfish back into the skillet. So now you're going to be basting the top of your fish with that sauce, that creamy sauce. Make sure you get all the pieces of the fish so that that curry flavor seep into it. And then you see I'm just putting some seasoning on top there. And we're just gonna flip it to make sure all the goodness of that sauce, you wanna smell how in here smells so good with that curry and garlic. And then we're gonna be plating it now. And we thank you so much for watching our video. We truly appreciate it. If there's anything you'd like for us to show in our next video or to cook, just leave it in the comment, and remember to turn on that notification button and come back and see us. So thank you again and enjoy. Bye.